In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust the post settings on Substack. Substack has revolutionized the way writers and creators share their work, allowing them to focus on crafting meaningful content while handling subscriptions and distribution with ease. Let's dive into customizing your Substack post settings to ensure your content reaches the right audience with just the right settings. First, go ahead and access your Substack homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage your posts, check your stats, and engage with your community. It's like your virtual office where all the magic happens. Once you're on your homepage, draw your attention to the top section of the page and click on New Post. This is the starting point for crafting your new masterpiece. Clicking here opens up a blank canvas where your creativity can truly shine. Next, select Text Post. This option is perfect if you're looking to share an article, essay, or any written content. Substack also supports other types of posts, but today we'll focus on text-based content. Now look towards the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll see a small settings button. Click it to open the post settings. This is where you have a range of options to customize how your post will be shared with your audience. You can decide who can access your post, is it meant for everyone, or just paid subscribers. This choice can help you build a sense of exclusivity around your content, rewarding your most dedicated readers. Further down, you'll find options to control comments. You can allow comments from everyone to create a lively discussion, or restrict it to a select few, or disable it entirely. The choice is yours and depends largely on the type of engagement you wish to foster. Additionally, you can decide the order in which comments are displayed, top comments first, newest comments first, or oldest first. Each offers a different perspective on the conversation happening around your post. If you have specific sections or categories within your Substack, use the Choose a Section option to file your post appropriately. This helps organize your content and makes it easier for readers to navigate related topics. Adding tags to your post is another powerful feature. Tags enhance discoverability, ensuring that readers searching for specific topics can easily find your post. Before finalizing your work, you may want to send a test email to see how your post will appear in subscribers' inboxes. It's a great way to catch any last-minute tweaks. You also have the option to copy the secret draft link if you want to share your draft with trusted friends or collaborators before it goes live. Finally, when you're done tweaking your settings, click on the little X button at the top left corner to return to your draft post. From here, you can continue editing or move on to publishing when you're ready. And that's it, you're now equipped to customize your Substack post settings to best suit your content and audience. Happy writing and good luck reaching your readers.